The ovulation phase is best for romance and intimacy. Finally, the luteal phase. It requires you to be more supportive and caring to avoid conflict. Never great for important conversations. Open your calendar app, select calendars, then tap Add Calendar on the bottom left. Name it and hit Done. Tap Hide All to view only the new calendar. Find and enable it. Hit Done to see it and you'll find an empty calendar. Create an event on her last period date by tapping the plus icon. The first day of her last periods. Ask her if needed. Name it, choose an early time, assign it to the right calendar, set repeat to every month, and hit Add. Add the event, open your Shortcuts app. Go to All Shortcuts, tap the plus icon to create one. Use the search bar to find functions. Search calendar, select Find Calendar Events. Change is in the next to is in the last 28 days. Add a filter for a specific calendar like Wife Cycle Calendar. Create a variable to store the event date within the last 28 days. Search variable, select Set Variable, name it Last Period Date. Search days, select Get Time Between Dates. Change minutes to days. Set current date to last period date. Add current date on the second input. Ensure type is dates. To add current date, scroll right on the keyboard bar to find current date. This is how it should look. Search for a variable to save dates between period date and current date. Name it Cycle Day. Now with the period start date and days passed, use if statements to find the phase. Search for if, it always comes with otherwise. Check if cycle day is less than or equal to 5 for the menstrual phase. If true, notify how to behave in this phase. Search for show notification, replace hello world with menstrual phase, be extra caring and supportive. Press and hold show notification to drag under the if statement. Nest each notification under if. Add another if for days greater than 5, the follicular phase. Search if again. Place under otherwise, it will check conditions. Condition. If cycle date is greater than 5. Add another by pressing the blue plus icon. If cycle date is less than or equal to 14. Both must be true. Select cycle date for the second condition. Add notification, follicular phase, great for dates and fun activities or similar. Drag show notification below the if statement. Create an if statement under the otherwise of the previous one. Make sure all your if statements read if all are true and add a show notification below each one. Do the same for the rest of the phases and add the relevant notifications.